Hi guys, in this video I'll be explaining you about the Fidelity Brokerage account. Fidelity Brokerage account is a type of investment account where you could buy and sell investment like stocks, bonds, mutual funds and ETFs. Unlike retirement accounts like IRAs or 401ks or S, there are no contribution limit or restrictions or withdrawal in a brokerage account. You could access your fund wherever you need them without penalties or restrictions, and likewise you can invest in a wide range of assets including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, options and more as well. Now there is no limit to the amount you can contribute to a brokerage account. Brokerage account offers a flexibility and control over your investment. If you are wondering how can you open a Fidelity brokerage account, then you have to visit the Fidelity website or contact the customer service. And you need to choose the basic brokerage account or consider a business account if you are a business itself. And you will need to provide your name, address, social security number and other relevant information as well. After which you can fund your account through various methods including electronic transfer, checks or wire as well. If you want to know about the benefit, you could access a wide range of investment, likewise Fidelity and controls as well. You could manage your own investment without restrictions or penalties as well. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.